top 8 fruits harmful to diabetics. Fruits. Nature's candy, right? But did you know that some fruits can be downright dangerous for people with diabetes? Shocking, isn't it? While they may look healthy, certain fruits can send your blood sugar soaring and put your health at risk. In this video, we'll uncover the top 8 fruits harmful to diabetics. Whether you're living with diabetes or supporting someone who is, this list will help you make smarter, healthier choices. By knowing what to avoid, you'll take control of your health and stay on track with your goals. Let's get started. Number 1. Longan, with its sweet and juicy appeal, is a favorite tropical fruit for many. But for individuals managing diabetes, this delicious treat can pose unexpected challenges. Why? Longan is naturally high in sugar and has a high glycemic index, meaning it can cause rapid blood sugar spikes. For those with diabetes, these spikes can lead to complications such as increased blood pressure, weight gain, and even a higher risk of obesity when consumed in excess. Does this mean Longan should be completely off limits? Not necessarily. While its high sugar content is a concern, Longan also boasts impressive health benefits. It's rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and nutrients that support immunity and skin health. The key here is moderation. A small serving may be enjoyed occasionally, but portion control is crucial to avoid compromising blood sugar levels. If you're craving something sweet but diabetes-friendly, consider opting for low glycemic fruits such as berries, green apples, or pears. These alternatives not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also have a gentler impact on your glucose levels. Pairing these fruits with a source of protein, like a handful of almonds or Greek yogurt, can further slow sugar absorption, helping to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Managing diabetes isn't about complete deprivation. It's about making smarter choices. While Longan offers a burst of flavor and nutrients, its sugar content requires careful consideration. By prioritizing low glycemic options and practicing mindful portion control, you can enjoy a balanced diet that supports your health and keeps your blood sugar levels in check. Next time you're tempted by Longan, think about your goals and reach for a more diabetes-friendly alternative. Your body will thank you. Number 2, persimmons. Persimmons, a fruit so vibrant and sweet it's often compared to candy, are a true autumn treat. However, for individuals managing diabetes, this seemingly innocent fruit poses a challenge. Packed with natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, persimmons can quickly elevate blood sugar levels. These sudden spikes may lead to fatigue, headaches, and, over time, serious complications like heart disease or nerve damage. That's not to say persimmons are all bad. They're rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, and brimming with vitamins A and C, essential for eye health and a robust immune system. The problem lies in balance. The fiber content in persimmons isn't sufficient to counteract their high sugar load, making them a risky choice for those striving to maintain stable glucose levels. So, how can you enjoy persimmons without derailing your health? Start by keeping portions small. Think a single slice rather than a whole fruit. Pair it with a handful of nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, or a slice of cheese. The protein and healthy fats slow sugar absorption, preventing a sharp rise in blood sugar. For a smarter alternative, consider low glycemic fruits like pears, kiwis, or berries. These options deliver sweetness and nutrition without causing drastic fluctuations in glucose levels. Incorporate them into diabetes-friendly meals like a spinach and kiwi salad, a yogurt parfait with fresh berries, or chia pudding topped with diced pear. These dishes offer satisfying flavors while helping you stick to your health goals. Managing diabetes isn't about deprivation. It's about mindful eating. With persimmons, the key is moderation and balance. Enjoy them sparingly, explore creative swaps, and pair them wisely to keep your blood sugar stable while savoring life's natural sweetness. Number 3. Lychee. Lychees are tropical treasures, bursting with juicy sweetness and packed with essential nutrients. For most people, indulging in lychees can boost immunity, regulate cholesterol, and provide antioxidants to fight harmful free radicals. But for individuals managing diabetes, these benefits come with a warning. Lychees are naturally high in sugar, which can cause rapid blood sugar spikes if not consumed with caution. The primary sugars in lychee, fructose and glucose, are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, presenting a challenge for glucose control. However, avoiding lychees altogether isn't necessary. Moderation is key. Experts recommend limiting your intake to 5 to 7 lychees per serving. This allows you to enjoy their delightful flavor and nutritional perks without compromising your blood sugar stability. To make lychees more diabetes-friendly, pair them with foods that slow sugar absorption. For example, slice a few lychees over a bowl of unsweetened Greek yogurt sprinkled with chia seeds. This combination adds protein and fiber, which help balance the fruit's glycemic impact. Similarly, pairing lychees with a handful of almonds or walnuts can create a satisfying snack that won't disrupt your blood sugar levels. If you're craving tropical sweetness but want a safer alternative, consider low glycemic fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. These options deliver a similar antioxidant boost without the sugar overload. You can also incorporate lychees sparingly into dishes like fruit salads or smoothies, ensuring that the majority of ingredients are fiber-rich, low-sugar options like spinach, cucumber, or avocado. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on your favorite fruits. It's about finding balance. With lychees, the secret is mindful eating. By keeping portions small, pairing them wisely, and exploring healthier substitutes, you can still enjoy their unique taste while maintaining stable blood sugar levels. So, go ahead and savor the sweetness of lychees. Just remember to enjoy them with care. Number 4. Golden Croaker. Golden Croaker is a nutritional powerhouse and an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. Packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, this flavorful fish supports overall well-being by improving digestive health and blood circulation. What sets Golden Croaker apart is its high omega-3 fatty acid content. According to Journal of Diabetes Research, omega-3s improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to regulate blood sugar more effectively. Additionally, the unsaturated fats in Golden Croaker lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, a common concern for diabetics. Cooking Golden Croaker is simple and versatile. Steamed with ginger and scallions, it combines anti-inflammatory benefits with excellent flavor. Pair this with brown rice or quinoa and steamed vegetables like spinach or kale for a balanced, fiber-rich meal. Another great option is baking Golden Croaker with a light herb crust. Mix breadcrumbs with parsley, thyme, and olive oil, coat the fish, and bake until golden. Serve with roasted asparagus or zucchini for a low-carb, flavorful dinner. Golden Croaker is affordable, widely available, and heart-friendly, making it a smart addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. With its delicious taste and impressive health benefits, Golden Croaker can support better blood sugar control and overall wellness. Add this heart-healthy fish to your meal plan and enjoy its many benefits for your health journey. Are you finding these tips helpful? If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest content about health and wellness. Number 5. Snakehead fish. Managing diabetes becomes easier with nutrient-rich, tasty foods like snakehead fish. This versatile fish is loaded with high-quality protein, essential vitamins A and B, and vital minerals like calcium and potassium. Not only does it nourish the body, but it also has a soothing effect on the stomach, making it a great addition to any diabetes-friendly meal plan. One of the greatest benefits of snakehead fish is its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. Protein-rich foods like this fish slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream after meals, preventing blood sugar spikes and maintaining steady energy. Regularly including snakehead fish in your diet supports better blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. Cooking it is easy and offers plenty of variety. For a simple yet flavorful option, steam snakehead fish with ginger and garlic. Both have anti-inflammatory properties and aid in better blood sugar regulation. Serve with brown rice and steamed broccoli or carrots for a balanced, nutrient-packed meal. Another healthy and delicious choice is baking the fish with olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs. This method preserves its nutrients while adding fantastic flavor. Prefer frying? Opt for almond flour or whole grain breadcrumbs for a lighter alternative, and finish with fresh lemon juice or a splash of soy sauce for a zesty touch. Affordable, versatile, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals, snakehead fish supports heart health, stronger bones, and improved blood sugar stability. Including it in your weekly meal plan brings variety, flavor, and health benefits. Why wait? Cook it steamed, baked, or grilled and experience the benefits. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon is a superfood packed with omega-3 fatty acids, making it an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support cardiovascular health. According to the American Diabetes Association, omega-3s in salmon can improve your body's insulin response, helping regulate blood sugar. They also lower triglycerides and improve lipid levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, a common diabetes complication. The benefits of eating salmon are many: improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, better heart health, and stable energy levels. Its versatility and flavor make it easy to maintain a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Salmon can be grilled or baked with olive oil, fresh lemon, and herbs like dill or rosemary. Pair it with roasted sweet potatoes or steamed green beans for a healthy, satisfying meal. Another great option is a fresh salmon salad with greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. Avocado provides healthy fats and fiber, which help stabilize blood sugar. For a quick weeknight dinner, try pan-seared salmon with brown rice and stir-fried vegetables. This meal offers a great balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber for sustained energy and stable blood sugar. Salmon isn't just delicious. It's a nutrient powerhouse that can improve heart health and blood sugar control. Whether baked, grilled, or added to a salad, salmon is versatile, easy to prepare, and heart-healthy. Make salmon a regular part of your diet. Its combination. Number 7. Durian. Durian, known as the king of fruits for its distinctive aroma and rich, creamy taste, is one of the most iconic tropical fruits. However, its extremely high sugar and calorie content make it a serious risk for individuals with diabetes. Durian contains 2 to 3 times more sugar than other common fruits, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar, especially for diabetics. Although it provides some nutritional benefits like fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, these benefits are outweighed by the high sugar and calorie content. Even small portions can cause dangerous blood sugar fluctuations and potentially lead to long-term health complications. One key reason durian poses such a threat is how quickly its natural sugars are absorbed into the bloodstream. This leads to sudden blood sugar spikes, which can impair insulin function and increase the risk of weight gain, insulin resistance, and other diabetes-related complications. Additionally, durian's high calorie count can make weight management even more difficult for diabetics, adding strain on their overall health. While durian offers certain nutrients, like potassium for heart health and fiber for improved digestion, these benefits are minimal compared to its risks. Consuming durian can make managing diabetes far more challenging, especially for those struggling to maintain stable blood sugar. If you have diabetes or are at risk, it's crucial to understand the risks associated with durian consumption. While a tiny bite might not seem harmful, repeated or excessive intake can lead to severe health complications. It's advisable to choose lower sugar alternatives like berries, apples, or citrus fruits to maintain better blood sugar control. Although durian is beloved for its taste and texture, its high sugar and calorie content make it a poor choice for diabetics. Making smart food choices and focusing on low sugar options is essential for managing diabetes and supporting overall health. If you're unsure, consult your healthcare provider to determine the best dietary options for your needs. Durian might be tempting, but for diabetics, it's better to steer clear. Stay informed, prioritize your health, and choose smarter alternatives to keep your blood sugar in check. Your body will thank you. Number 8. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing summer favorite, celebrated for its hydrating properties and sweet taste. However, for diabetics, this popular fruit comes with risks. Its high glycemic index, GI, of 72 can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, especially when consumed in large quantities or as juice. The lack of fiber in juice form accelerates sugar absorption, overloading the pancreas and worsening insulin resistance. Though over 90% water, watermelon can still pose health challenges for diabetics. Overhydration may lead to temporary blood pressure increases, raising cardiovascular risks. The extra strain on the kidneys can also aggravate diabetes-related complications. Watermelon contains beneficial nutrients like vitamins A and C and the antioxidant lycopene, which support immune health and heart function. However, for diabetics, these benefits often don't outweigh the risks posed by its sugar content and high GI. Diabetics can still enjoy watermelon in moderation. Limit servings to 1 cup of diced fruit and pair it with protein or healthy fats, like almonds, to slow sugar absorption. Avoid processed watermelon products or juices that concentrate sugar further. For safer alternatives, low GI fruits such as berries, apples, or oranges provide similar nutrients without sharply impacting blood sugar. While watermelon can be enjoyed occasionally, it should be approached with caution. By making informed dietary choices, diabetics can maintain better blood sugar control and overall health. Incorporating the right types of fish into your diet can make a huge difference when managing diabetes. From salmon's heart-healthy omega-3s to the low-calorie protein of tilapia, these 6 fish we've covered are not only tasty but packed with benefits that can help stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect against complications. So, whether you're grilling, baking, or adding these fish to your favorite salads, small changes can lead to big results. Making these choices part of your weekly routine can empower you to take control of your health, one bite at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more tips on diabetes-friendly living. Let's keep learning and eating smart together. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.